Good morning, guys. Welcome to two. You're on our way to breakfast now. It's 9:30 now. Surprisingly, we feel quite awake. But yesterday we were so tired. Like we literally had to cancel our activity today. Yeah, so we're just. We'll get you in the room. Then you're gonna meet people. Oh, I feel so awkward to see the camera.
This is fish pie. Thank you.
Yeah.
What's going on right now?
Yeah, that. I think this is not Europe. I think it's like which country is the same. Because even in Nigeria, the village is the same. When you say Turkey, I've always like middle. Then you say like me.
Hold on, I said that.
Okay guys, so checking in from breakfast. I didn't even like finish it up properly. What you guys was eating. Breakfast was good. What do you rate it? 8. Okay. Ika? 8.5. I give it an 8 as well. It was like new. I love the cake. I don't know what cake that was, but it was nice.
To be honest, I like the cake. I like that. It's not like it was so
like fantastic.
I like the cake, but it wasn't like my favorite. I think my favorite thing was the bread with the
no, mine was definitely the cake. To explore it and see the town of Alanya. Antalya is where we came from yesterday. Their neighboring. Alanya is in Antalya. We're gonna go ask reception for direction. Thankfully my data is working now, so at least we're not gonna get stranded in Turkey. I'll see you guys when we're in reception. funniest thing just happened to us like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, like obviously we're walking like across the street, and then what do you call it? There's this man that was trying to like sell stuff to us, and then he was like, oh, like, as we were like, oh no, we didn't want to like buy anything. He was like, oh, Rihanna, and then we were laughing about that. He was like, Rihanna, and then he was like, what was the next one?
He was like,
Chocolate Beauty.
Yeah, Chocolate Beauty. And then where did you get your beauty from?
Yeah. And then someone else was like, oh, like, no, come in so I can look at your beauty. So, I think you'll be Rihanna. I'll be... Actually, the other two are not evil.
No, can I be Rihanna?
Yeah, you be Rihanna.
I'm Rihanna.
I'll be Chocolate Beauty, you be... Let me look at your beauty. So, yeah.
Period.
That's been our day so far.
I can't believe all of this has happened in a space of like 15
minutes. Like, we barely left the hotel for real.
I think this is real again.
Huh? Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you.
Anybody want to buy a wedding dress?
No, not now. I don't like any of them. I don't know anymore.
The guy? I don't know.
I wasn't paying attention.
Maybe we should stop pretending like we're on our phone.
Yeah. If not, it's going to be a really long day of saying no sorry, no sorry. They're going on your face. Why I'm not recording one of these funny stuff. Imagine I'm happening here, but like this one guy that was like selling stuff, he was like, excuse me, I know you, and I was like, oh, like maybe he does know me. Obviously no. He was like, oh, from Paradise. God help me today if I don't start laughing, because I feel like when you start laughing then they're like, oh yeah, like they got it.
Yeah.
And that's just not a good idea. We're literally sweating right now. It's not even, I think it's just humid. Like that's just the word. See me, because the sun isn't necessarily out like that, but yeah, like we saw this family that like speaks English, and we don't really know how to get to town or like to the beach faster. Yeah, and we don't know how to get to the beach, so we're like,
Imagine we missed them.
yeah. So we decided to just place.
Guys, what flavor do you want?
Vanilla.
Seriously?
That
No, what's that one?
vanilla bean.
Sorry.
I might get mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
I get
Yeah, ma'am, bubblegum, vanilla, and chocolate and strawberry. Use pistachio. Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
What's the name of that flavor? Had one father.
Do you have pistachio?
Yeah, that was
Oh,
pistachio.
It's
Yeah.
actually fake.
Fake.
Yeah, fake ice cream.
Oh, fake.
Pistachio original, yeah.
Can we, is that? Do you have
I am
vanilla?
Muslim, yeah, haram.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
Do you have-
flavors do you have?
Yeah, man. Yeah, you here, eat two, chocolate, vanilla, you natural ice cream. You tester? Do you want test?
Taste.
Test?
Yes, please.
And
Just to record when you're taking it.
Okay, let's try at the same time.
Who's gonna? How we
I
gonna?
just tasted it.
Just flip it.
It's nice.
Is it? Is it? Ready, guys?
There is way to take it. Sorry.
3, 2, 1.
yeah, which one? Tester, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any apple?
I like the coconut.
I think I like the mango more.
No, I don't like the mango.
Really? It's too sweet. I think I'm just gonna stick with
I want
vanilla,
to get
guys.
the flavor you can't really get any.
Exactly. I want to try.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Tester.
Yes.
This sorbet, original. The original ice cream. Yeah, only strawberry.
Oh,
You know sugar. Yeah,
Okay.
test it. Only strawberry. The original.
One is
if I get, oh, thank you.
Yeah, that
If I get mango
mango.
and strawberry, is it the same
Yeah,
price? Can I get? Yeah, can I get one mango and one strawberry? Just, oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey.
Tissue. Thank you.
Sorry. Mango.
Mango and strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
3 bowl. You 2.
Oh, 3 scoops. Can I get 2 scoops of mango and then 1 strawberry? Yeah. Well, equal. Only you. Wow. 2 scoops. 3. Yeah, of the same flavor. I'm gonna get vanilla one.
You're like, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I like it. Hey.
Oh my god.
Hey, take it. Bravo. Yeah, take it. Woohoo! I'm sorry. Take it. Bravo. 1 minute. 1 minute. Come on, please. Yeah, take it.
Oh my God.
Up. Hey. I'm sorry. Test it. 1 minute. Test it.
Okay.
Sorry. Take it. Bravo.
Oh wow.
Oh, look. Bravo.
Thank you. Okay guys, so you guys are going to think we're crazy, yeah, but we just came up with a wonderful idea, yeah, to basically pretend like one of us is getting married. It's going to be me, and the other 2 are my bridesmaids. Yeah, I think it's there. And the other 2 are my bridesmaids, so we can try our wedding dresses and stuff. Very pretty.
Well, do you want something like?
I want a coffee. Like this is giving reception. Yeah. I would love opal. This is cute.
Oh my god, yeah.
This is insane, man. They're all sparkly.
You know, a lot of people go to foreign countries to buy wedding
Yeah, they do. I feel like in a way their styles are better than ours in the UK. Like in normal shops that you see on like on the streets here. Like it's really sparkly.
That one.
Yeah, try it. Sorry, do you mind if I try this on? If I try it on? This one?
If it's one, I can do that. Otherwise, I will charge you for trying.
Okay.
If you buy, I don't charge you also. But if it's one for, no problem.
No, don't worry.
It's okay, I'll just stop.
I would, because as well, if it's cheaper, why not?
Yeah. The fact that they say that they can even make them
From
from scratch.
scratch,
Yeah. And you know, they're really good. Like, they'll make it amazing.
I really like. I'm keeping that for future reference.
I'm not even joking. We came as a joke, but it was really good.
You don't know. You don't want to. This
And
might,
he was really
you don't wanna-
nice.
This might be the Holy Spirit telling us, oh, very soon. I'm keeping it.
We need to do like a side quest every day.
Every day. That
we
was
should come up
so
with like
fun.
personas.
You know that. Yeah. Do you know that could? Now that you did what the next person you do the next.
Yeah, I'm not doing it all the
Yeah.
time.
That would be so exciting for the viewers.
Adam Maria, what
Like,
I was whispering in there was I was saying you're not calm. That's what I said.
No, like she
I
was
whispered to Angelica, I was like, she's not calm, and she was like, yeah.
I was like, she was gonna blow our cover, goodness me. But yeah, side quest 1 done. That was so spontaneous.
I was literally so scared when my Daryl was saying that I need to be like nervous because I was looking around like, oh my god, like what we doing? That was so chill. But now it worked out because I'm keeping the card. We're keeping the card.
Yeah. Because it doesn't only have to be for a wedding. can be for
Yeah, it can be for bridesmaids, it can be for a party person.
yeah. Okay guys, we're doing another spontaneous activity. We're out today and we're wearing pajamas. This is not meant. We came out to order food, but the restaurant looked nice, so we're like, why not? The performance.
Hey.
We're ready to order. Yeah.
Plus carrot.
Okay, nice. Nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You might have fun like that. Now I'm alone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, the restaurant is really nice. They brought us more food today. Oh my god, that's hot.
We should try to get it. Actually, plastic.
Oh yeah, they keep bringing us free food. This is really nice of them. Like, bless their hearts. And we keep asking whether it's free to make sure before we get scammed on the air. Like, that's not gonna be it at all. Yeah, you have to make sure.